Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble or install a tripod stand with ring lights. It's very easy, so stay tuned. But first, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm new here. So as we all know, the tripod helps position our phones. The light just helps brighten or pops out our video quality and photos. So I already got everything out of the packet, as you can see. So let's get started. I I got the small one, just small for phone, if not the smallest, but any size, anyone. This is the video for you. Watch and know how to install. So we're going to start with, this is the stand, the tripod stand. You open the three legs, you place it out, and you have to open this little part right here. When you place it, you can regulate it from there. You tighten it for it to be well firm, or it depends on how you would like it to. So just watch. So there we go. We have a stand assembled, and we need to take off this little cock or this little nut on the hair. We take it off and install the ring light. You just turn it round as if you're clocking a bottle for it to be solid. Now ring light is set as well. Now we move on to the next level. As you can see, this just needs to tighten it up, weaken it to your level. This is where you regulate it. All this, I think there are three different segments where you regulate. So this is the next part. We use this. You open with this part right here. The little ball in the middle helps rotate, because this is the camera, the phone stand, sorry. On the ring light, you put your phone on this, and the little ball in the middle, as you can see, it helps rotate your phone to whichever direction you like it to face. So that's just it. And next, this part I forgot, but this part you just put it right here, and you tighten it up, and you keep turning till it's tight. It depends on you if you would like it to be so solid or a little bit relaxed, so you can turn it around. So after you've done this, the next you install the part where that rotating ball. Yeah, this part right here. So this is the phone holder on the ring lights or the phone stand. Yeah, you position your phone. I'm just going to show how it's done. And yeah. So there you go. After installing, you can place your phone and do your videos, take your photos, good pictures. And this right here, this USB connect sorry, this USB cable, you can connect it on a power bank, or I'm just going to use my laptop since it's beside me. So the remote of the ring light can be connected, so it can come on. It needs, a power bank or even your laptop, whatever thing. But if you're moving with it, you need a power bank to connect it so it comes on, as you can see. And then you change the lights, the various lights, whichever one you want to use. So that's it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy your tripod. It's that simple, lights, and it's just simple steps. Ever it serves you the way you wanted it to be. So please like this video, subscribe, guys. Bye.